You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English, in British English and American English. Those two words, yeah, many people get them wrong. Executive, that's the top word here. Executive. Executive. The stress is on the Z syllable. The Americans say it as executive with a flap T. That's a T that sounds like a D. Executive. Now, the bottom word, executor, for the British English pronunciation. So very similar pronunciation at the beginning. Executor or executor in American English. Can you hear the correct pronunciation? Can you pronounce it correctly now? How did you pronounce it before? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.